Alright, so I just want to show you this little bit of video since spring break has started a little early this year, and just because the weather got really nice. And while this isn't the worst the traffic gets, this is, about a 20-minute, maybe 30-minute backup, I figured I'd fly over the bridge on my bike with the 360 camera up in the air and get you a drone's eye view, so to speak, of the ride out. And it's a beautiful ride. This is my daily commute. The traffic isn't too bad in this video, but you can see that I'm moving a lot faster than traffic is. On the right here, you'll have the aquarium. Once you hit a little bridge, you kind of know you're here. Welcome to Clearwater Beach. Good luck finding somewhere to park. See you next time.